Hey guys, we received this UpBrands Halloween gift bag stuffers for test and try. This is a 72 pop-it zipper bracelets in the bulk, so 7.5 inches. So let me just open up this package and show it to you. So this one is a nice combo thing. So this is an extra gift, is like a pop-it gift that you can include for the bigger bracelet or anything you want to use for. And the others is the bulk packaging for the small poppet bracelets that I will show it to you. So this is a nice just a showpiece within this package. So let me just open the main thing. So these are the main bracelets that is a zipper bracelet and it comes with a poppet on attached to it. So it's a great thing, for the kids. You can just give it or the stuffers in a birthday package or anything packs you want to distribute to the kids. So this is a nice thing to have, and also you can see like the different things here. You can attach two bracelets with each other, and then also you can unzip it to make it two-tone and a zipper thing in here. So a very nice thing with a good quality, as you can see. And this also have a second pack. So you have a various varieties for the color combination and things. So with a three poppet thing, or also they have a two poppet attachment as well that I will show it to you. So say there is a two poppet here, but there is a two-tone color here. So there is a two tones here that's with it and the three. So it's a overall a nice bracelet with poppet.